Hello, it's Harry here from the Pet Carpenter, and we've got a lovely example of a triple dog bedroom to show you here today. So this is a really supersized piece of furniture with really large dog beds in there as well. So we will be delivering it in 3 separate sections, with the worktop being placed on top as one piece, creating this lovely single piece of furniture. We will start with our dog bedrooms at the bottom that you can see demonstrated by our dog Loki here. So there's lots of width and depth on these particular pieces. We do have the bar divide here so that the dogs can see each other, but it does give that little bit of separation as well. Towards the front of the piece of furniture, you do have these lovely sliding doors. They latch securely in the middle when you want to give that little bit of security for the dogs, and then they slide back nicely to allow the dog to come and go as they please. As we move on to the worktop, you can see a really supersized worktop in solid oak to complement the rest of the client's home. And then this piece of furniture has been finished off in Mole's Breath by Farrow and Ball, our dark grey colour, and that's been matched with the black ironmongery to finish. And that finishes the tour of this bedroom. Thank you very much for watching.